I am in Boise, Idaho for the KIC conference, Craft and Commerce. This is the third one I've been to. Very excited. Have several friends here that I'm excited to see. Online friends that I've not met in person. So got in a few hours ago, got some food, co-worked with some friends, and now I'm getting ready for the opening party happening tonight. I'm gonna show you a little fit check before the opening party. Let's go!
So it used to be that if you had recorded a podcast and you want to turn it into written content, that was a very manual process. You'd have to re-listen the episode, pull out the key.
It is the end of day 2, and I forgot to record a bunch of things. So this is me showing you my outfit. It was a good day. Craft and Commerce is just keynotes and workshops. My favorite from the day is definitely Pat Flynn. I love hearing Pat speak. I've heard him 3 or 4 times now. He's just one of my favorites. Not even just as a speaker, but as like a business owner. I just really enjoy him and his personality and everything. So met lots of people, had some good food, and yeah, ready for day 2 tomorrow. Day 2, also the last day, because I am flying home, doing a red eye tonight, so I'm gonna go drop my bags downstairs and then go to grab breakfast with a friend.
Gives me chills from how good my string now feels. The prompter pro 2, the lines are clear and true.
Okay, I'm editing this, I'm almost done, and I'm like, first of all, totally forgot to record a lot of things, so forgive my beginner vlogging skills. But I wanted to share that I love going to the Craft and Commerce conference because I always find it so energizing just to get out of the office, be around other entrepreneurs. I feel like getting away just helps with getting new ideas and all that kind of fun stuff. So yes, the speakers are good, but for me, it's more of like the networking. I would say my 2 big takeaways from Craft and Commerce this year were 1, to try LinkedIn more, and 2, the personal brand, the human touch of our businesses is what is going to help us survive AI as business owners. Like, yes, embrace AI, but it's also the human aspect is what is going to save us. So hope to see you at the next Craft and Commerce.